Your bundle of joy has finally arrived, and you can't contain your happiness. But before you can take your little one home, there are some vital tests for your newborn to identify conditions that can affect his or her long-term health and survival. The Abu Dhabi newborn screening checks for serious but rare conditions at birth. It includes blood, hearing and heart screening, as well as an examination by a doctor. Through a series of special tests, early detection, diagnosis and intervention are possible, preventing death or disability and giving children the opportunity to reach their full potential.
فحص المواليد المبكر ضروري جدا، وأهم شيء فيه أن الفحص يكون من وقت، فبعد ولادة الطفل ب 48 ساعة وظيفة كل أم ومسؤولية كل أم تتأكد أن مولودها ياخذ الفحص مباشرة.
Your doctor will do a full physical exam to check for any problems or conditions. This includes the newborn's vital signs, general appearance, as well as an examination of the heart, lungs, hips and eyes. For heart screening, a test called pulse oximetry is used. This test checks the amount of oxygen in your baby's blood by using a sensor attached to his finger and foot. This test is used to screen babies for a heart condition called critical congenital heart disease. Congenital heart diseases are one of the most common birth defects. Some babies born with a heart ailment appear healthy at first, but are at risk of serious complications within the first few days or weeks of life. Detecting the disease earlier can save your baby's life. Hearing screening is done to detect any hearing problems as early as possible. Early identification of hearing loss is known to be important for the development of the child. It also means that support and information can be provided to parents at an early stage. To complete the screening program, heel prick testing is done when your baby is 48 to 72 hours old. It detects certain rare genetic and metabolic disorders that might be life-threatening or cause development problems. A nurse or laboratory technician will collect a few drops of the blood from your baby's heel onto a special filter paper. The blood is then sent to the laboratory for analysis. Parents must remember that screening procedures don't diagnose illnesses, but help identify babies at risk for the conditions being screened. Most newborn screening results are normal. In rare cases when your baby's screening results aren't normal, it may simply mean more testing needs to be done. Your provider can guide you on the next steps for your baby. Contact your health provider if you have any questions or concerns.
انولدت جمانة بمستشفى الكورنيش، فكانت بصحة وعافية الحمد لله، ما فيها شيء.
جمانة كانت بخير، ما فيها شيء، طبيعية، بالعكس ما يبين عليها أبداً أنها هي مريضة، اللهم بس أنها بدت يعني شوية ون. سبحان الله، يعني بسبة شيء بسيط، بسبة الجهاز تبين يعني بسرعة أن هي عندها القلب، ووديناها يعني لندن سوى لها عملية الحمد لله رب العالمين، هي بخير.
انولد في مستشفى الكورنيش، سوينا له فحص السكرينينج في اليوم الخامس. طبعا أنا ما كنت أعرف شو قصة هذا التست وليش أسويه، بس سويناه. في اليوم السابع اتصلوا فيني من مستشفى توام يقولوا لي إن راشد diagnosed إن فيه البيكيو.
The point is that we shouldn't lose time in treating. For example, you saw Rashid. Now Rashid is normal, he talks, he goes to school, he's like any other child. If we had waited till the parents saw that something was wrong with Rashid, he would not have been able to go to school because he wouldn't have had the intelligence. He wouldn't have had the intelligence to lead a normal life.
اجتمعوا فيني الدكاترة هناك ودكتورة التغذية تفهمني شو موضوع البيكيو وليش المفروض راشد ما يشرب الحليب الطبيعي. بس الحمد لله أن أصلاً التست استوى اللي هو الكعب القدم، والحمد لله أن اكتشفنا أن في البيكيو فترة وايد مبكرة، في 7 يوم يعتبر يعني شيء وايد يعني حلو، لأن لو ما انكشف أن في البيكيو من هذيك الفترة يعني ولا طولنا شهر، في أعراض تطلع للطفل من أول شهر إذا ما تم اكتشاف البيكيو. بس الحمد لله راشد الحين ولد طبيعي.
Awareness about newborn screening tests empowers parents to make informed decisions regarding their child's healthcare. More importantly, these tests give children the opportunity to live healthy and full lives. Your baby's health depends on you. Know more about newborn testing today for the sake of your children's precious future. Anaya. Give your baby the best start.